the ear angle. I angle the ear, but the girl make me cry. All she do is make me cry. Look how much me not get no sleep. Chat is either tomorrow, is either today we are doing the baby shower or Sunday. I don't feel like me not tired today. So it look like a Sunday the baby show. And then I can rock my belly and the things there. Girl, I chew me now. I want money, man. I just want money, man. I want a girl. Look how girl pretty. I just have money, man. My blood clot. Wow. Cause a China doll style. I put on, you know. China doll. I took your blood clot girl limit. Right now the girl limit no worries. Them I look two side. A China doll, a pear style we pull off. Pear dolly look. China doll. Taste your blood clot brute. Play with the brute. China doll. A pear Chinese style we pull off. A pear girl a fret. Watch how the girl them a run out to them serious here. And we not pull on a boy cut yet, you know. We just say, "Cho, we are trying to want China doll." China blood clot. The girl them under pressure. Ugly mother under pressure. Pure girl under pressure. Tiki under pressure. She tell Chef lick out her blood clot from now. Me dear. And bust a prank.
I tapped that in the man. The man there, the man are going in pocket and me are going in my pocket and the man are going in pocket and the man said so. Me say no dog a start. The dog rate me, you know. I mean I want pa. They say I come back on. Me say, you say mama lie thing. Star no star.
Fuck, fight and funeral. Fuck, fight and funeral. Vex, moody. It is 5 row. It is 5-star. Fuck, fight, funeral. Sad and moody. When me moody, you know, me moody. When me sad, you know, me sad. When me fuck, you know, me fuck. When me fight, you know, me fight. And when a blood clot funeral, we don't know how we are to make it out. Girl, a pure Chinese look we a pull off. A pure girl a dead. A pure girl a the rear. Pure different here. Chuan frontal. Boss a Chinese girl look. Pure look we a pull off. Pure hot girl look. Chat. So my girl in a blood clot. Me just girl is. You know how long I want the skin come white. And my farm out. You know how long I want the skin turn white. Very pure battery right on it. That's it. When we reach at the party, me left my phone now a man car. When me ready for take my picture, for bring the phone come. Me say bull be. Him say yes, you have to pay $3,000 for come with the phone. Me say alright, come with it. You have to pay you. When me look the man reaching at 10 minutes, I say bubblegum, give him the $300 bubblegum. $300 bubblegum. When the man reach him, I play minimum anymore with my blood clot phone when I pay $250,000 for. This big pussy man I play minimum anymore with my blood clot phone when I pay $250 blood clot $1,000 for. This big pussy man I play minimum any blood clot more. I'm in a left my phone, you know. I say I left my phone, I normally use my next phone. But through the phone I did, I'm walk. I might have played me in the blood clot more, but through him have the blood clot ball. Me have the ball. And him have the net. to blood clot. You know when you have the ball in the hand and then you have the net and you have to shoot it in the blood clot net. Someone just come. They give him phone, bubblegum give him the money and grab up film blood clot phone. And back my acid and say don't make a bone up your blood clot. Catch him now, see me a baby like a cute girl. Like me come from blood clot America. I want them think me a British. Cause you understand me, please. I'm in Kingston. I just grab up people. I said don't make a bone up your blood clot. And Bubba gonna grab it all time and I'm a show film phone and go. Cause me no want to phone game and him drive off with the car and liquid on. So me now just show film phone whoop over blood clot there so. Say girl center the road, big stone, lick it out. Sugar boy. Stink out of that. If you men say to me please me I beg you $2,000. Call me there far. Me I don't give him it. Don't manipulate my blood clot head with my phone for $250,000. I'm gonna lift my blood. I'm gonna lift my blood clot. Mr. My booty change and Chloe. For sure you're mad my blood clot is. I said China doll setting move to blood clot. Hey. I don't talk to you. Worse than just don't give me two look of kind. I'm mad and cross. Girl, I don't even want to tell you the half of it. I don't even want to tell you the half of it.
One figure. Marna, my face will be tea, you know.
That girl, no cigarette.
Chloe girl, angle up this. Chloe tired. I mean Chloe tired. Me not understand this. Chloe tired.
Tired, Chloe beat you.
Tired, girl. I'm gonna lie down.
I'll scan the on my own.